All right. Welcome to the demo for shortsgenerator.com. So, Shorts Generator is just a very simple way to go really quickly from text to a full video. And it's not supposed to be like the next Canva or anything like that. The idea is for people who just want to put in some text or have some text already and just want to get, a, a kind of a good video within a few minutes, and so it's ideal for creators, who want to start a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel especially, or just do TikTok shorts and just test different ideas really quickly. So I'm going to give you a glimpse of what it's like. This is kind of the generate portal section. The way it works is you come in and there's some series of steps you have to do. The first one is obviously just generate the script, so maybe I want to do a video about 3 stoic principles every day, just whatever. And I'm too lazy, so instead of just writing the script, I'm just gonna let it, GPT generate it for me. And now I've got my script right here. This is my script. And now I have different voices I can use to,
In the heart of the city, there is a large park.
use a to do text to speech on this.
The kitchen, the aroma of the beach was a the train chug.
So this is like a heavy voice, which I like, for stoicism. So let's do that and generate clip. So now it's generating the clip, which would be the audio for this text. And it'll take a few seconds to generate. Obviously, the more characters, the longer it takes. The limit for a single request is 4,000 characters, which is the average is about like 1,000 characters per minute. So for shorts, which are typically 1 to 5 minutes, this is enough. And here's our clip.
Overwhelmed by the daily grind? Let me share 3 stoic principles that changed the game for me. Picture this.
Awesome. So that's our clip. The next thing we want to hit is generate scenes. So now that we have our audio and we can listen to it and see, and if we don't like it, we can tweak it, etc. And make sure we're ready. The audio is good before we hit the scenes button. And now what's gonna happen is now it's gonna Shorts Generator is now gonna take that script and decide on a base theme, and it's gonna then come up with these different scenes that kind of match this story. And if you go into our scenes tab, this is where the magic is happening. And this is probably the longest part of this process. And so it typically takes like about a couple of minutes to generate all the scenes. But it's still relatively very quick. We already are basically almost done here, and the cool thing about the scenes is, as you're going to see in a second, is once you have the scenes, and if you don't like an image, you can regenerate that specific image, and you can tweak the prompt, you can tweak the whole base prompt if you just don't really like the whole base theme, and just start with a new artistic style, etc. And there's a different quota of images, and which is a lot. You can have thousands of images depending on your plan. And so you can really experiment here and get the perfect look for your story. And now we have our scenes. These are our scenes. See, this is our main theme, which kind of dictates how the whole story is going to look. Then for each scene, we have the prompt that generated that image, and we have the scene descriptions. And so, looks pretty good, etc. And I kind of like it. I did see there was a missing image here, so I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna just regenerate that scene, just to make sure I have a full story. And so you can check multiple images, if I wanna do, like this one or this one, and this one. Let's just regenerate those 3 as well. And of course, I can like change. I can call it Batman. I don't know why I would do that, and I can just do that and just get let's just do it for fun. Let's get Batman here. I don't know what we'll get here, but you can tweak the prompt. This is why it's so powerful, right? It just gives you this easy way to regenerate scenes based on your liking. And then, oh, now what? The video, hard part, right? Not really. It's already there.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind? Let me share 3 stoic principles that change the
Boom. We have our video, and we can do different fonts if you want.
picture.
We have 200 different fonts to play with. So if I want to do Pacifico, it's kind of cool.
It was a
And then I can obviously adjust the size. I can also do a different style where if you don't want the one word ones,
deadlines looming and stress levels soaring.
you can do a stream level
Stumbled upon
one,
the first
and we can do it at the bottom.
focus on what you can control. Instead of fixating on the chaos,
And let's do
I
a
shifted my
purple.
energy towards the tasks within my reach.
You don't need
The second
uppercase,
principle hit me during a tough
not
negotiation.
bold. Let's make it italic.
Maintain a calm mind.
It looks shit, but
Breath.
just showing you all the options.
Navigated the
And so here's our video. And now we can just click render video. Once we're ready, happy with it, and then we can generate the whole video. And just like that, within 5 minutes, we went from text to a fully automated, beautiful, cool captions, transition, effects, video, ready to go.
I took a deep breath, stayed composed.
How powerful is that? I think super cool. And yeah, there's a watermark for this video, but once you render it, that's gonna be removed. But yeah, I think this is a super powerful tool. I'm looking forward to you guys using it. Please give me feedback. Tell me how, what features you want, what's working, what's not working. I really look forward to just making this incredible, and it's already pretty good already. I'm using it myself, which is always a good sign. So we got a 40 megabyte video. And oh, by the way, if I want to do different desktop ones, I can do that as well. And then regenerate scenes, etc. anytime. It's all customizable. Super powerful. All right, I think I've ranted enough. Hopefully this was a good. This gave you an good overall overview of the product. And yeah, looking forward to you guys using it.